Alright, back at the cabin, and today what I want to work on is getting these window casings installed. I've got one here for this back window, and I've got one for the front window right here. So hopefully these are going to just slip right in, and installation will be easy, but we'll find out. But before I get to the installation, I know that it's not going to fit here until I've got to get all this foam cut out, so it'll be able to slip in. So let me and I need to take these curtain rods down as well. So let me do a little bit of prep work, and then we'll see if this casing's going to fit. Alright, let me get the vacuum out, and we'll get this all cleaned up. All right, it's all cleaned up. Here's a moment of truth. Alright, it's just too tight. I cannot get this in. So I'm going to have to pull this out and widen the opening a little bit. See if I can get that done. Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the 2x4 is twisted slightly this way. So it's making it bind up in the back. So I've cut away right here, making it, you know, at a 90 degree instead of at a, I don't know, 80 degree. Or I guess that'd be 100 degree. So I'm gonna do that, looks like up to here anyway, halfway up, before it straightens out. And we'll see if that helps it on this end. On this end, I'm not totally sure what the problem is. Might be the same type of thing, but that's, you know, really all I can do is use my multi-tool and shave off a little bit going up here, and probably do the same thing over here. So this sheeting right here is just sticking down past the window frame right here. So little things like that. I think the lesson learned here is that I built the casing too tight, the tolerances too tight. I should have given it like 1/8 of an inch all the way around to accommodate for things like this. It would have fit in just as well, would have sealed just as well. So next time I'll keep that in mind. Alright, I've got that trimmed back all the way around, all 4 sides. So now just let me vacuum that out and we'll give it another try. Alright, I can go ahead and permanently install that. Alright, I got that one in. It didn't slip right in. It was still a little bit snug. Had to give it a little bit of tap with my hand, and but then it went in. So I've got that one in. Alright, I feel good about the fit. It's right up against the window here. And then if we look over here, the trim's right up against the wall. So I feel good about that. But I really I messed up when I built this casing. I measured the window opening at 24 by 36, and that's what I built that casing to. What I should have done is made it 1/4 inch less on the width and the height. That would have given me 1/8 of an inch all the way around, and then that would have allowed it to slip right in even with the tolerances. So if you guys are going to be doing a casing like this, make sure to, whatever you measure the frame out, subtract 1/4 inch and build your casing to that measurement, and it'll go in a lot easier than mine did. So as tough as this was with just a single opening, this one over here is going to be twice as tough with 2 openings. So yeah, that one's going to be a challenge.